Assalamu alaikum students, class 7 chapter number 17, and today we have to learn about what is tessellation. A tessellation is created when a flat shape is repeated over and over and over, covering a plane without leaving any space in between. Another word for tessellation is tiling. Look at these figures. These are circles. When we organized a circle, there is a space between them. This black shade is the space between these circles. But when we have to put the hexagonals in organized way, there is no space between them. So hexagonal is the good example of tessellation because there is no space between them, and in circles there is a space left behind them. Look at these pictures: squares, rectangles, triangles, trapeziums, parallelograms, rhombuses and hexagonal tessellate, or a clever combination of any of these shapes. But keep in mind, we can use same shape for one tessellation, and the another word for tessellation is tiling. Okay students, now we have to learn about what is the circumference of a circle. The distance around the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. To find the circumference of a circle, just put a thread along the circumference. Take care to avoid overlapping the two ends of the thread. The distance of the thread that covers the boundary of the circle is the circumference of that circle. If we have to find the circumference of that circle, put a thread along here, and the distance of the thread is the circumference of that circle, and this distance is known as its diameter of the circle. This is the circle, and this is the fixed point called center of the circle, and this distance is known as diameter of the circle, and the half distance of the diameter is called its radius. For any circle, when the circumference is divided by the diameter, the answer is a number that approximates to 3.14 or 22/7. This number is called pi and is denoted by the symbol pi. When we have to divide the 22/7, we get the same answer 3.14 up to so on. This is called the pi and is denoted by pi. Keep in mind, pi is a natural constant equal to irrational number. This is an irrational number, 3.141592654 up to so on. Okay, now we have to write the formula of circumference. C is equals to pi multiplied by d, where d is the diameter of that circle, or as we know that d is equals to 2r, diameter is a double of the radius. So when we have to put d is equals to 2r, we get the formula C is equals to 2 pi r. So there are two formulas of circumference. C is equals to pi d, or C is equals to 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Okay students, now move to area of a circular region. The area of a circle with radius r is equals to pi r square, where pi is equals to 22/7 or 3.142 up to so on, and radius is the r square is the radius of the circle. Area of a circle is equals to pi r square, and as we know that the area can be written in the square term. So area of a circle is equals to pi r square, centimeter square, meter square, but in square terms. Okay students, let's start our exercise in exercise 17b. Take pi to be 3.142 unless stated otherwise. इसका मतलब ये है कि जिन क्वेश्चंस के आगे आपको पाई की वैल्यू गिवन है, उनमें तो आपने वही यूज़ करनी है, पाई इक्वल 22/7, लेकिन जिन क्वेश्चंस में आपको वैल्यू गिवन नहीं है, वहाँ आपने 3.142 यूज़ करना है. Take pi to be 3.142 unless stated otherwise. Okay, question number 1. Find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. The radius of a circle is given and we have to find the area of the circle. Radius of a circle is given in the question 3.5 centimeter, and we have to find the area of the circle. A is equals to pi r square. Pi is equals to 3.142 because there is no stated that pi, the value of pi, so we have to put pi is equals to 3.142, and r is equals to 3.5, so r square is equal to 3.5 square. 3.5 square can be written twice, 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Now we have to multiply 3.5 with the 3.5. 3.5 सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन वैसे करेंगे जैसे हम आम नंबर से करते हैं, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद हमें आंसर मिलेगा. तो पॉइंट कैसे लगाना है, इस पॉइंट के बाद कितनी वैल्यूज़ हैं 1, और इस पॉइंट के बाद कितनी वैल्यूज़ हैं 1. सो 1 + 1 2, हमने 2 वैल्यूज़ को छोड़कर पॉइंट लगाना है. सो 3.5 मल्टीप्लाई 3.5 इज इक्वल टू 12.25, एंड व्हेन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 3.142 विद द 12.25 वी गेट द आंसर 38.48950. इस पॉइंट के बाद 3 वैल्यूज़, इस पॉइंट के बाद 2 वैल्यूज़, सो 5 वैल्यूज़. 1 2 3 4 5. So 38.48950 centimeter square is the answer, is the area of the circle. Okay students, question number 2 is as same as question number 1, so it is your homework. Question number 3, find the radius of a circle with an area of 616 centimeter square and pi value is given. Now we have to find the area, radius of a circle when area is given. We have to find the radius of a